हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल वन टच फिजिक्स। आप सोच रहे हो कि एग्जाम में अच्छा स्कोर कैसे करेंगे। एग्जाम में अच्छा स्कोर करने के लिए पहले आपको न्यूमेरिकल अच्छी तरह से कवर करना पड़ेगा। भी मेहनत और अच्छा स्कोर। न्यूमेरिकल कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे मैं आपको वीडियो में बताऊंगा। पहले हम न्यूमेरिकल अच्छी तरह से पढ़ेंगे, बाद में उसमें क्या दिया है हम गिवन करके लिखेंगे, और जो पूछा है इसके लिए कौन सी फॉर्मूला और कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करना है वो मैं हाईलाइट करके बताऊंगा। इसलिए आपको एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन के लिए बनाई गई वीडियो सीरीज को अच्छी तरह से देखना है। चलो बच्चों, चलते हैं न्यूमेरिकल पर। नाउ चैप्टर 2, numerical first. The position of an object moving along x-axis is given by x equal to a plus bt square. So this is the given. Here value of a and b is also given. So at time t, the position of moving object is x equal to a plus bt square, where a equal to 8.5 and b equal to 2.5. Now, what is the measure in seconds? So what is its velocity at t equal to 0 and t equal to 2 seconds? So this is the question. Find the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 0 and t equal to 2. So for this, differentiating the position of x with respect to time, we have instantaneous velocity. ये जो इक्वेशन है इसका हम डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में, हमें मिलेगी इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी की इक्वेशन। तो v इक्वल टू dx by dt. So this is the formula to obtain instantaneous velocity. So v equal to d by dt. Substitute the value of x equal to a plus bt square. So we have v equal to 0 plus 2 bt. Here you see a is the constant, so the differentiation of the constant is 0. Here differentiation of t square becomes 2t, so b into 2t. So v equal to 0 plus 2 bt. Substitute value of b, so we have 2 into 2.5 into t. So v equal to 5 into t is the velocity at time t. So this is the instantaneous velocity. Now you are asked instantaneous velocity at a particular 2 time, 0 and 2 seconds. So substitute value of t equal to 0 and t equal to 2. So we have instantaneous velocity at t equal to 0, 5 into 0, so v1 equal to 0, and t1 equal to 2 seconds, so here 5 into 2, so v1 equal to 10 meter per second. So this is the answer at instantaneous velocity at 0 second and 2 second. Now, second question. What is average velocity between 2 second and 4 second? इसके लिए हमें at time t the position is x equal to bt square is given, ये दिया है। इसका हमें क्या करना है कि इधर हमें a और b की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी, तो हमें मिला x equal to 8.5 plus 2.5 t square. This is the position of x with respect to time. Now average velocity find करने के लिए, so to find average velocity between two given time value, substitute in above equation. यहाँ दो टाइम की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, दो टाइम के लिए हमें मिलेगा x1 and x2, and after this apply v bar equal to x2 minus x1, t2 minus t2. So average velocity, to find average velocity, this is the formula, right? Now t1 equal to 2 seconds, substitute in this formula. So we have 8.5 plus 2.5 into 2 square. So x1 equal to 18.5 meter. At t2 equal to 4 seconds, once again substitute here 4 seconds. So we have x2 equal to 8.5 plus 2.5 into 16, so 8.5. Now for average velocity, this is the formula. So substitute value of t1 and t2 and x1 and x2 in this formula. So v bar equal to 48.5 minus 18.5 on 4 minus 2, so 15 meter per second. For average velocity, this is the symbol. Here v for velocity and bar for average velocity. So answer is v bar equal to 15 meter per second. Chapter 2, motion in a straight road. दूसरा न्यूमेरिकल, a car moving along a straight highway with a speed of 126 km per hour. Here initial speed of the car is 126 km per hour. This is the given. So initial speed of car V0 equal to 126 km per hour. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiplied by 10 and divided by 36. So we have 35 meter per second. Now is brought to stop within a distance 200 meter. तो ये distance 200 meter कवर करने के बाद कार स्टॉप होती है. तो distance covered D equal to 200 meter and the car becomes stationary. So final speed V equal to 0 meter per second. So here 1 initial speed of the car, final speed of the car and distance D is given. Here speed of the car decreases, so acceleration A is the negative. So find retardation. So acceleration A is negative means retardation. So for uniform acceleration, we have formula V square minus V0 square equal to 2AD. This is the formula for uniform motion. Substitute value of V, V0 and D. We have acceleration A equal to V square minus V0 square upon 2D. So acceleration A equal to minus 3.06 meter per second. So here acceleration A equal to minus 3.0 meter per second. Now next question. How long does it take for a car to stop? कार स्टॉप होने में कितना टाइम लेगी? इसके लिए हमें फॉर यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन, this is the second formula, final velocity speed equal to initial speed plus acceleration into time. Here time is given. So to obtain the value of time, we apply this formula. This is the formula to find time. So G substitute value V, final speed is 0, initial speed is 35 and value of acceleration we have obtained minus 3.06 here. With the sign we have to apply. And so make the subject T equal to 35 upon 3.06. So final answer T equal to 11.44 seconds. So after 11.44 second car becomes stationary. This is the answer. चलो फ्रेंड, आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करो. अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.